Ever wondered what makes a car stand out in a crowd? Is it the flashy paint job, the roaring engine, or maybe the sleek bodywork? Often, it's something more subtle. Today, we're going to delve into the world of wheel rims. Off with a classic, we have the steel wheels. Renowned for their durability and cost-effectiveness, these sturdy rims are a common choice for the practical driver. They may not be the showiest of options, but there is an understated elegance to their simple design that can add a touch of class to any vehicle. Next up, we have alloy wheels. These are the trendsetters of the wheel world, offering improved performance and handling due to their lightweight nature. Crafted from a blend of aluminum and other metals, these rims not only enhance your driving experience, but also come in a myriad of designs to suit your style. For those of you who love to turn heads, chrome wheels are your best bet. With their mirror-like finish and eye-catching shine, these rims are all about making a statement. They're not just about looks, though, as their reflective surface can also serve a practical purpose by increasing visibility on the road. When it comes to combining strength and performance, forged wheels are the real deal. These premium rims are created by compressing and shaping solid blocks of aluminum or alloy, resulting in a wheel that is not only durable but also lighter. This makes them a favorite among speed enthusiasts and those who like to push their vehicles to the limit. Last, but certainly not least, we have custom wheels. These are the dream of any car enthusiast who wants their vehicle to be truly unique. With endless design possibilities, custom rims allow you to stamp your individuality on your ride, making it a reflection of your personal style and taste. So there you have it, a quick tour through the fascinating world of wheel rims. From the sturdy steel wheels to the standout chrome ones, the lightweight alloy rims to the robust forged ones, and finally the unique custom wheels. Each type has its own charm and utility. Remember, the right wheel can not only transform the look of your vehicle, but also significantly enhance your driving experience. So choose wisely and keep rolling in style.